Okay, today we're going to talk about how to screencast your phone, your Android phone. Please, this video is for Android phone users, which is my favorite. So today we are going to screencast our screen. What a screencast simply means having what you have on your phone on a bigger screen. That's you can screencast what you have on your Android phone to a bigger screen, that's TV or projector. So we are so lucky our projector supports screencasting. So let's go. You're meant to enter inside applications, then go down to Miracle's receiver, enter inside. Then on your Samsung, Redmi, and the Xiaomi, which other name uses Smart View. So you're meant to slide down from notification, slide down like this. Go look for Smart View, or you can even search it from your phone settings. Then wait for this projector number to appear. So we are here. Focus, focus. All right, it's focused now, and it's now asking me to accept. Okay, focus now. Okay, I'm accepting. Now I've accepted to be his girlfriend. Sorry. Alright. Now it's on portrait mode. This is portrait. We need to push it to auto rotate. Uh, the auto rotate makes it full screen. So you can see my end focus now. No. Okay, now it's focused. So auto rotate here. It is auto rotate is here. So now I can comfortably go back to the video. Play it. Okay, you can see it. Now, if you want to screencast on your Techno Infinix or which other device again? ITEL. You can just go to your settings. Focus now. This phone is giving me plenty wahala. It's time to throw it away. Alright, so you need to go to your phone settings, or either if you're using Techno, ITEL, or Infinix, you need to go to your settings. Then once you get inside your settings, search for cast. Once you see your cast, toggle on that option. You see that option, the root cast. Once you toggle it on, you're going to see this something projector on it. So once you click it the same way I click on this thing, you should be able to screencast. Meanwhile, if you are still not able to do this, if I see a Techno phone or Infinix or this thing, I will still do a video that teaches how to do it. I used to have the video, but I've forgotten where I kept it, and I don't have any friend that has Techno at the moment. So I'm still going to do the video. But in the meantime, if you go to settings on your Techno, Infinix, or ITEL phone, search for cast. 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 Once you're done searching, if you see it, make sure that it's on, turn it on, then you should be able to see project or something. Click on it, accept it on your this screen, then you should be good to go. Alright, bye.